Ever wondered if you could make $50 a day using AI for free and with zero experience? Today on Learn AI Daily, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making money online using a free AI tool. All without coding, fancy gear, or any prior skills. Let's dive in. The tool we'll be using is called ChatGPT, a free AI chatbot by OpenAI that can write blog posts, product descriptions, emails, and more. You don't need to download anything. Just visit chat.openai.com, create a free account, and you're in. Here's where the money comes in. People are paying for content creation every day, like blog writing, social media posts, or product descriptions. On platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and PeoplePer, gigs for simple writing tasks pay between $10 and $50 per job. Say someone asks for a 300-word product description. Just tell ChatGPT, write a product description for a luxury skincare brand targeting Gen Z. And boom, it writes it instantly.
Now you might be thinking, I don't want to be a virtual assistant.
That's totally fine. This method works for any skill level. Maybe you're a blogger who wants to expand their services or a student who needs extra cash. Next, edit and deliver. Copy the output into Google Docs, review, and polish it. Use Grammarly or Quillbot to improve tone and grammar if needed. Then deliver the final version through Fiverr or your client's platform. Pro tip: offer one-day delivery to boost your gig visibility. Most buyers want quick turnaround. And there you have it. In just 4 easy steps, you can start earning with ChatGPT. To reach $50 a day, all you need are 2 to 3 small jobs at $15, $25 each. Promote your services on Facebook groups, Reddit forums, or even LinkedIn. The demand for AI-assisted content is booming, and clients don't care how you write. They just want good, fast results. Extra idea: once you get comfortable, offer niche services, like AI-written email sequences, resumes, or video scripts, and charge premium rates. Now before you go, hit like and subscribe to Learn AI Daily for more no-fluff AI tips, tools, and tutorials every day. And comment below if you want a full guide to setting up your Fiverr gig or promoting your services for free. Remember, making money with AI doesn't have to be complicated. It's just one tool, a few smart prompts, and consistent effort. And you're on your way to real income. See you in the next video.